Welcome to Roadmaster Pro, your ultimate destination for everything on two wheels. From the latest motorcycles to expert insights, we bring you the best of the biking world. In today's video, we take an in-depth look at the 2025 Aprilia RSV4, a superbike that redefines performance and precision. Introduction: the evolution of excellence. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 is the latest masterpiece in Aprilia's legendary RSV4 lineage. For years, the RSV4 has set benchmarks in the world of superbikes, combining cutting-edge technology, unrivaled performance, and Italian craftsmanship. This year, Aprilia has raised the bar even higher, making the RSV4 a bike that not only dominates the track but also offers an exhilarating experience on the road. Engine and performance. At the heart of the RSV4 is its Euro 5 compliant 1099cc V4 engine, delivering an astonishing 217 horsepower and 125 Nm of torque. This powertrain ensures blistering acceleration and a top speed that's nothing short of breathtaking. Thanks to refined fuel mapping and an updated exhaust system, the engine offers a smoother, more responsive performance than ever before. Chassis and handling. The 2025 RSV4 features a lightweight aluminum frame that ensures exceptional agility and stability. The fully adjustable suspension system, provided by Öhlins, offers a perfect balance between comfort and track-ready precision. Brembo-style MA brakes provide unparalleled stopping power, giving riders confidence even at high speeds. Technology and electronics. Aprilia's advanced electronics suite makes a strong comeback in the 2025 model. The bike is equipped with APRC, Aprilia Performance Ride Control, which includes traction control, wheelie control, engine braking, in multiple riding modes. A new 6-inch TFT display offers seamless navigation of settings, along with smartphone connectivity for added convenience. Design, aesthetic and aerodynamics. True to its Italian heritage, the RSV4 is a visual masterpiece. The 2025 model features revised aerodynamics, including integrated winglets for increased downforce and stability at high speeds. The aggressive front fascia, sharp lines, and bold color schemes make it a head-turner on the road and the track. Comfort and usability. Despite its track-focused DNA, the RSV4 is surprisingly comfortable for everyday use. An updated seat design and revised ergonomics ensure that even long rides are enjoyable. The bike also features cruise control and a quick shifter, making it as practical as it is thrilling. Conclusion: a superbiking icon. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of performance, style, and innovation. Whether you're a track enthusiast or a passionate rider looking for the ultimate superbike experience, the RSV4 is a machine that delivers on every front. Outro. Thank you for tuning into Roadmaster Pro. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Aprilia RSV4, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more expert reviews and biking content. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.